Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a cleaner in Airbnb. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Airbnb app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in into your Airbnb account. Now on the screen, you can see Explore option on the bottom left corner. There on the top you can see Where to option. There you can browse your local Airbnbs and see if they're active. Well, contact the host directly through Airbnb's messaging system. To do that, you have to tap on the listing, scroll down and find that message the host option. There you can inquire if they need any cleaner for their Airbnb. If not, you can also get the apps like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn, etc. There you have to add detailed information about your cleaning services, experience and any special skills you have, such as eco-friendly cleaning or deep cleaning. Include high quality photos of your previous works if possible and get verified in the platform if platform offers that option, as it adds credibility. Another way to go is join online communities and forums where Airbnb hosts content, such as Facebook groups and Reddit threads focused on Airbnb hosting. Introduce yourself and let the host know about your cleaning services. And guys, that's it. That's how you become a cleaner in Airbnb. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.